Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ik Onkar Coding. In today's session, I discuss which of the relational operators available in C and C++ languages. In the previous session, we covered all arithmetic operators. Now we cover all relational operators and decision control instruction. Basically, we have 6 relational operators that are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, double equal to, not equal to. So these are the symbols, and this symbol has the meaning less than. This symbol has the meaning greater than. All these symbols you use in mathematics, so same symbols are available here and same meaning is here in C and C++ languages. This symbol has the meaning less than equal to. This symbol has the meaning greater than equal to. This symbol has the meaning double equal to, or this symbol used for comparison. And next one is not equal to. So we include not equal to in C and C++ languages in this way, not in this way. Not this one is invalid. This one is invalid. Now the thing is, all these operators, now the speciality of the relational operators is all these operators always return. These operators always return true or false. True means 1, false means 0. These operators always return true or, not and. It will not return both 1 and 0. It will return either 1 or 0 depending upon the values. Now we discuss how it will return true or false. Like I am writing here, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15. Okay, and I write here x less than y. Okay, now 10 is always less than 15 beta. Okay, x has the value 10, y has the value 15. 10 is always less than 15, so it return what value? It return true. It return true. In a similar way, if you write x greater than y, now we use second symbol, that is greater than, x greater than y. Now x has the value 10, y has the value 15. 10 is greater than 15? No. So what it return? It return false. It return false beta. Okay. In a similar way, if you write here, suppose x has a value 101, y also has a value 101. So now we apply this third symbol, that is x less than equal to y. Okay, now x has a value 101, y also has a value 101. Now 101 is less than 101? No. But 101 is equal to 101? Yes. So what it return? It return true. In this case, it return true. Getting my point, beta? I hope everyone clear about the third symbol, that is less than equal to. So now we move further. Now for these same values of x is equal to 101 and suppose y is equal to 100. Okay. Now I am writing here x less than y. Suppose y also has a value 101. Okay, x less than y. So now what it will return? 101 is less than 101? No. What it return? It return false beta. It return false. Okay. In a similar way, we have greater than equal to symbol. So now we discuss what is the difference between single equal to and double equal to. Okay, all of you know single equal to use for assigning the value. Single equal to is an assignment operator. Single equal to is an assignment operator. Assignment operator means it will assign the value. Okay, suppose you write here x is equal to 10. Now what is the meaning of x is equal to 10? It means 10 value goes to the x variable, because equal to have right to left associativity property. Right to left associativity property. Right to left associativity property. Okay, means right value goes to the left variable. Equal to have two sides. This one is the left hand side, this one is the right hand side. So right hand side value always goes to the left hand side variable. So always use, on the left hand side always use variable name, on the right hand side always use value. Okay, if you go in opposite direction, compiler give you error. Okay, so now we move to the double equal to use for comparison. Means now double equal to have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Now this comparison operator return true if both left hand side and right side, if left hand side is exactly equal to the right hand side, then it return true, otherwise it return false. Now for this value, x is equal to 101 and y is equal to 101. Okay, so here x double equal to y beta, x double equal to y, what it will return? X has a value 101, y also has a value 101. So 101 is exactly equal to 101, it return true. If left hand side is not equal to right hand side, then it return false. It means this comparison operator return only true only if x and y have same value. If x and y have different value, in that case it always return false. Next we discuss here not equal to operator. Okay, not equal to. Okay, suppose now for this value x is equal to 101 and y is equal to 101. Okay, now I use operator x is not equal to y. What it will return beta? Okay, so x is equal to 101, y is also 101. So 101 is not equal to 101. Condition values to 2, because 101 is equal to 101. So it return false beta. If you are using for these values, okay, suppose x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 15, x is not equal to y. Now 10 is not equal to 15. So what it return? It return true. I hope now you clear beta. Okay, how these all 6 operators return true or false. Okay, depending upon the value of the x and y. Okay, so now relation operators covered. Now we move to the next type of instruction, that is decision control instruction. Okay, so in the flowchart we use diamond box. Okay, diamond box have two sides, true and false, and inside the diamond box we write some condition. Here we write some condition. Okay, so the thing is, if you want to convert this diamond box in a coding language, then we use decision control structure. It means we use here if else structure. Okay, now what is if? If is a keyword. What is else? Else is a keyword. I hope all of you familiar with the keywords. Keywords are the words whose meaning is reserved for the compiler. Okay, the thing is, when in coding language, when compiler encounter if keyword, compiler understand automatically that programmer or user want to implement if else structure, because if else only used for implementing decision control instruction. Okay, like in daily routine, in reality. Okay, suppose we take some decisions, like suppose student get the marks. Suppose we analyze the marks. Suppose student have the marks 70. Okay, suppose the average marks of 5 subjects is 70. Okay, now the thing is, suppose these are the 12th standard marks. Suppose these are the 12th standard average marks. Okay, 12th standard average marks of a student. Okay, that is 70%. Okay, now here I make some decision. If the thing is, if the student have average marks greater than, 60, then he or she will pass the exam. Okay, and if this condition values to false, then student will fail the exam. Okay, the thing is here, depending upon the marks, we take some decision. Now here marks are 70. Now 70 is always 70 is greater than equal to 60. It means student will pass the exam. If suppose average mark is 50, in case any other student have the average marks 50. Now 50 is if you write here marks 50 greater than equal to 60. No. So in that case, what it return? It return, in that case we display fail. It means student will fail. So here, depending upon the condition, we take some decision. Okay, like if any student have 90% marks in 12th standard, then he or she goes for medical stream. Okay, if the student have the marks, or student get the marks between 80 to 90%, then he or she go for non-medical stream. If student have the marks greater than 70 or less than 80, then he or she will go for the commerce stream. Okay, in that way. Okay, depending upon the marks, we take some decision. So in that case, we use decision control instruction. In that case, we use if else structure. Okay, so first we discuss how to implement the if else structure. Okay, so first we discuss the syntax of the if else structure. Okay, now first we discuss how to use if else structure. So the thing is, here we are discussing if else structure. Okay, so in the if else structure, what we do, we have to write if is a keyword. After this, we include the round bracket. Okay, inside the round bracket we give some condition. Okay, then open the curly braces, close the curly braces, then here we write else, then open the curly braces, close the curly braces. This is the syntax. This is the syntax or rule of if else structure. Okay, so in the if condition, here we write some statements like statement 1, statement 2, and in the else we write statement 3, statement 4. Okay, the thing is, here we implement some condition. Okay, if now this condition always return two values, true or false. If this condition values to true, then only statement 1 and 2 are executed. Else is not executed in that case if the condition values to true. If condition values to false, then if block is not executed, only else block is executed in that case. Okay, the thing is, if condition evaluates to true, condition values to true, then if block is executed, means whatever statements, there is no limit on the number of statements. You can include any number of statements inside the if block. This is the if block. The space between the open curly braces and closed curly braces of the if block is called the body of the if block. This is called the body of the if block. Okay, this is called the body of the if block. Okay, if the condition value is to true, then if block is executed. Statements of the if block, that is statement 1 and 2, are executed. Else is skipped. In that case, else is skipped. Then else is skipped. Getting my point? And now if this condition evaluates to false, this condition values to false, what we do in that case? In that case, only else block statements are executed. Only else block statements are executed, and if block is if block is skipped. Getting my point? I hope everyone clear about this point, because this condition always return two values. This condition either return true or return false. दोनों रिटर्न नहीं करेगा एट ए सिंगल टाइम, दोनों रिटर्न नहीं करेगा एट ए सिंगल टाइम। या तो ये ट्रू रिटर्न करेगा या फिर फॉल्स रिटर्न करेगा। अगर ये ट्रू रिटर्न कर रहा है तो स्टेटमेंट 1 एंड 2 एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अदरवाइज अगर कंडीशन फॉल्स एवेल्युएट कर रहा है तो स्टेटमेंट 3 एंड 4 एग्जीक्यूट होगा। इट मीन्स कंट्रोल, if condition values to false, control jump to the else block automatically. Okay, so example of this if else structure we cover in the next session. Thank you all for watching my session. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.